Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with Voices.com. So Voices.com is a service that you can go to if you want to hire voice actors for either videos, commercials, etc. But on top of that, you can also become a voice actor. And there's two types of people that will use this site. The first is people that will hire people to do voice actors for the videos. And the second group of people is the people that actually do the voice acting. So it's not just voice acting, it's actually just doing voiceovers. So essentially you're just talking basically. And you can actually make pretty good money just by doing these voiceovers. So the first step is obviously we got to create a simple profile, which basically just allows us to showcase some examples of work we do. So just having like 1 or 2 examples of our work on our portfolio. And the reason we want to do this is because we're going to actually reply to jobs that get posted to Voices.com. So basically people can post jobs on the Voices.com marketplace and we can reply to those jobs. And if we reply to those jobs have a chance of hiring us to do a voiceover, in which case we will get paid. So basically we receive a private invitation from clients who find our profile, and each job invite comes with a description of what the job is going to be. We can reply with an example of our work or an example in the case of what they want. And once we get hired, the software allows us to direct message our client, so we can always keep in touch and provide what they need. And probably the best part about this website is their SurePay guarantee payment system, which means we will be guaranteed to get paid by the client via this service. Because if you were to do this service outside of a marketplace like this, you would not have that same security. If perhaps the client decided not to pay you, that wouldn't happen here. You're basically guaranteed to get paid, which means we can obviously request and receive additional payments for additional client requests or revisions. So if they have us redo something, then we can get paid for that as well. And by doing so, this actually adds up to a lot of money. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to get rich off of this website, but you should be able to bring in a decent amount of money every month if you put in the effort. Now, of course, it's free to work on Voices.com. They have what is called a guest membership, which is completely free. You can upload your profile and you can get privately invited to jobs, but they also do have a premium membership as well, which will automatically have jobs matched to your profile for you. So that could be useful as well. And despite having to pay for that premium membership, you would probably make more money back, negating the cost of the premium membership. So it doesn't really matter anyway in that case. But just as a little disclaimer, there is a free and there is the premium membership. But anyway, that is how you can make money online with Voices.com. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.